In this presentation, we are going to talk about the proper way on how to outline an essay. What is an outline? They support your organization and mental clarity. Making an appropriate outline for your essays will help you get closer to writing a A paper if you develop the practice of doing so. It also serves as a guide that outlines the content that should go where in the essay. A technique to organize your essay structure before you begin writing is to use an outline. It entails creating conscious summaries, sentences, or phrases for each issue you'll discuss in each paragraph, so you can see your argument will flow. Now we're going to talk about why it's important. Having an outline before submitting your final essay ensures that you have everything needed for the essay and that it is well written and prepared. The topic of your essay should be quickly summarized in the outline, and it should be logically and effectively organized. An important talent is the ability to create an outline. Before completing the final essay, your instructor can urge you to create an outline. Many students just add to their outline and refer to it as a rough draft. You are left with usable paper after removing the numbers and the letters. What to do first when writing an outline? You want to first determine the topic or topics of your paper that you are writing. Determine the audience that will be reading your essay. And finally, develop a well thought out thesis. Here are some questions to ask yourself after you write your outline. Is there an obvious starting point for your argument? Is there one subject that provides an easy transition into another? And do some points need to be set up by discussing other points first? In the outline, you need to make sections including the introduction, body paragraphs, and the conclusion. The introduction and the outline of the introduction, you want to have your main topic that you're writing about, and then your thesis statement. In the body paragraphs, you want to decide the topic for this paragraph and come up with your topic sentence. Next, you need to find the evidence that supports your topic sentence, and finally describe how it connects to your thesis statement and relates back to it. Conclusion. In the conclusion, you want to restate your main topics, affirm your thesis statement, and understand what your readers may think after reading your essay. You can see the chart to the right gives a general look on how your essay should be written and why it's important to have all these parts to make a successful essay.